In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another page to your Google site. Whether you're expanding your online portfolio, setting up a classroom website, or just adding some more information, knowing how to do this correctly is crucial. We'll guide you through the steps, making it a seamless task. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Google Sites. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Sites homepage. You can do this by typing Google Sites into your search engine, and it should be one of the first results. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. It's important to ensure you're logged in, as this is how you access and edit your sites. Now that we're on the Google Sites dashboard, take a look at your current sites. Pick the site you'd like to edit and open it. You'll see a variety of options on the right hand side, but our focus today is on adding pages. So let's look over to the left panel and find the pages option. This is the second icon, represented by a small square overlapping another. Once you see the pages section, click on it. This will show you all the existing pages on your site in a neat list. To add a new one, we're going to use the plus icon that's located at the bottom of this panel. It's a simple yet powerful button, clearly marked with a plus sign to symbolize adding content. Click on that plus icon and a new dialog box will appear. Here you can name your new page. Think about the content you want to share and choose something relevant and descriptive. For example, if this page will host your blog, you might name it blog or my writings. Naming is a crucial part, as it will help you and your visitors navigate the site more efficiently. After naming your page, the final step is just a click away. Direct your attention to the Done button right there in the dialog box. Clicking Done confirms your changes and adds the new page to your site. Once you've done that, your new page will show up in the list under the Pages section alongside your other pages. From here you can begin adding content, images, and whatever else you need to complete the page. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a new page to your Google site. This is a great way to expand and customize your online presence to fit your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you can now confidently expand your sites as needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.